Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, loaded with features, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2016 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, home link garage door opener, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.